Hello everyone and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to update your Firefox web browser. First, open the Firefox browser. Click on the three vertical line at the top right corner. In the second last option you can see Help. Click on this. Another menu will appear. Now click on the About Firefox option. You can see there is an option Check for updates. Click on this. Firefox is now checking for the update. An updated version of Firefox is available. Click on Update to 64 Beta 6 version. The updated Firefox is now downloading. Click on Restart to update Firefox. Firefox will now close and restart to update. Firefox is now updated successfully. Again, click on the three vertical line, click on Help and click on About Firefox. You can see your Firefox is up to date. In this way, you can update your Firefox web browser very easily. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.